Both of them tend to be friends. They tend to move together because they are the two that are being bullied. And these other two tend to move together too because they are the bullies. Let's see what's going to happen. So she's running away from her, you see. She's always not near her. They always try to keep their distance. She's going there. They're going to all run away now. Watch.
So today it's a bit chilly and it is spring, so I needed to go get my coat. But we're also going to be letting one of the injured chickens out because my dad already treated one, so we're just gonna let it be free for some time.
Okay, that's all of them. That's that last one. Check the wounds. Just grab it. Don't go too far because she's going to run away. How is it looking?
It's looking a bit good.
Okay, they haven't pecked it, I think. Let's see. I'm trying to look at it. The feather is covering it. We can't see it. Let's see. It's looking very active. I think things are okay with her now. Okay? So let's leave it for now.
That's because Daddy. It's just that before you let her outside, when I was opening the doors for the others, she was like struggling to get out, but she didn't know that there was a cage.
Yeah, that's why they are chickens. Do you want to check if we've got some eggs?
Yeah.
Okay. Look at that one over there. You can see the injury, and you can see the feather is really all come off now. So he's really happy to be free. He's scratching the floor, which he has missed for like how many days now. Look at the other one here. Look at the bum. You see, they've taken off all their bum. Both of them tend to be friends. They tend to move together because they are the two that are being bullied. And these other two tend to move together too because they are the bullies. See, bullies move together even in animals, while the bullied ones also move together. These ones tend to run away from them. Let's see what's gonna happen. So she's running away from her, you see. She's always not near her. They always try to keep their distance. And I can imagine. Look at the new front. She's going there. They're gonna all run away now. Watch. They're gonna all run away. This one already ran. This one already ran. So let's see if they're gonna peck her. I hope they don't peck her anymore. They're a bit thirsty. They're coming around for food. Look at what they've done. They've scattered all their food on the floor. So for that reason, I'm not going to put a new food. I'm not going to replenish the trough with food until they finish the rubbish, the mess they made on the floor. Normally, I teach them a lesson by not replenishing the food until they finish the ones on the floor. So yeah, until that food on the floor is finished, see, they're pecking it now because they haven't got any other choice. But when they have choice, they tend not to eat the ones on the floor. But I'm going to teach them that I'm more sensible than them. Yeah, so that's it. That one is free to go now. It's free to roam about. So hopefully it will be good news from now. Okay, that's fine. Have a look.
Oh, look. There's an egg.
One egg, yeah?
Yeah.
That means, let me see. That means we'll have to get 3 more in a day, yeah? Okay. That means Benice will be the one to check. If not, she's going to cry.
Guys, thanks for watching. And we'll see you later in the day. Bye.